school. Morning, Nova. Morning, Hudson. Here's your clothes. Get dressed. Morning. Get you some breakfast. You hungry? Morning. You're already dressed?
Yeah.
You go get the brush, spray bottle, and gel. Good job.
Mommy's birthday.
One more day. What kind of cake do you want?
Chocolate. Come on, Mom. Did I have a bad dream?
20 minutes.
Good morning, Mom.
Let's hurry fast so that we can go. Let's go, let's go.
I hope you didn't. And I have a head of no. Good morning, Mom. Good morning, Dad. Birthday. Everything.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Shoes, socks, jacket, backpack. Let's go. Roman, Hudson, time to go.
I barely finished. Yes.
Good job.
Finish my checklist. Mommy.